Hello, welcome back, besties. So today's video, I will share to you today just how I turned my old cornrow, just like you see, very old, into a new one, and then turn it into a crochet. Okay, it was pretty easy to do that. Okay, just clean the parts and braid another cornrow and then crochet it in. Okay, sometimes some days when you're lazy and you don't know what to do, you have a cornrow or you just want something else to cover it, just do that. Okay, that's what I did. Again, this is a simple cornrow, nothing too fancy. Okay, just with my natural hair braided, just like you see across using the three fingers, and but voila, I am done. Like that. Okay, and the base is ready, and now I'll be crocheting in some beautiful hair. Okay, extension. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, some days, yeah, we all be lazy. So this is how I achieve this beautiful crochet hairstyle, and I love it. I will include the link to this hair in the description down below. Okay, again, this is just a quick video for you. I thought I'd bring it to you, and thank you for watching. Okay, as always, continue to watch our other videos and continue to stay tuned until we bring you some goodies your way. Okay, and enjoy. We love you all, and thank you to all our new followers and our returning followers. Please continue to share. We see you. Thank you, and God bless you. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, stay beautiful.